this afternoon. Well, right now, a huge controversy in the drug world. A drug manufacturer, Genentech, pulled 3 top-selling cancer medications from wholesale distributors. And Allison Brunner is back. She checked in with the University of Kansas Hospital today to see how it is being impacted by this.
And it definitely is, Justin. The shift means that the hospital will be paying about $1 million more this year just for these 3 drugs. However, doctors tell me these drugs are life-saving, and patients agree.
3 drugs in question, Avastin, Herceptin, and Rituxan.
But for cancer patient Robert Marin, one of these 3 drugs is a lifesaver.
For me, it gave me a lot of confidence in terms of, my treatment and my recovery.
Not only do patients have confidence in these drugs, but doctors as well.
These drugs are state-of-the-art drugs that have been developed over the last 10-15 years. And for many of our patients, they represent curative therapy potentially. Hundreds of patients in our system right now actively receiving these drugs.
But now the price of these drugs are skyrocketing because the manufacturer decided to change its delivery method.
And the easiest way to think about the difference in delivery is every day we get a shipment from a warehouse, from a wholesaler of medications, and that's the big easy way to deliver it. The specialized way is that they send an individual box via a shipper like UPS or FedEx or whoever. And so they chose to use the specialized channel according to them because they felt like it would increase safety and make sure that the product wasn't damaged or stored at the wrong temperature or anything like that.
For patients, there is no other option for these drugs because no generic is available.
I've looked at the bills and they're pretty astronomical. I'm probably close to about $1 million at this point, but I don't see any of it, so it's not really an issue for me.
But it's an issue for several other patients and several hospitals.
It's an organizational impact, and it's a matter of finding a way to absorb the extra cost.
Now, no generic drug is available right now because the manufacturer owns that patent, which isn't up for roughly about 5 years. Now, the company behind this decision released a statement saying, quote, "We believe this is the best distribution model for these medicines." But definitely, Justin, a talker in the medical world.
Yeah, I bet. Thank you, Allison. Returning to the weather now, Gary Lee's